Welcome to Buggies, where your cart is just the start. Your one-stop shop for your parts, accessories, and stylish premium products that will transform your cart to a work of art. My name's Dustin, and today we're gonna blow your mind with a really awesome new product. Of course, I'm talking about our jaw-dropping GTW Vortex Wheel in a matte black finish. Let's take a closer look. The newest Vortex Wheel offering from GTW is now available in a matte black finish. It is constructed of solid cast aluminum for maximum strength and minimum weight. The GTW Vortex Wheel offers an exclusive GTW Mesh-Spoke design, deep dish offset, and a two-piece look with chrome studs. The Vortex pairs great with our premium line of tires and accessories. This 14x7 wheel features an exclusive mesh-spoke design. Its strong cast aluminum construction includes 4x4 bolt pattern, Lug Centric Design, and a 3/4 offset. And to top it all off, a color matched center cap. One thing great about this wheel is being that it's matte black finish, it will pair great with any color cart. Green, blue, red, white, it doesn't matter, it will look perfect. This GTW Vortex wheel can be yours today by visiting www.buggiesunlimited.com or by clicking the link below. If you prefer a more human approach, like I do, our team would be happy to answer any of your questions. And if you want more information how to turn your cart to a work of art, subscribe for more videos. That's all for me for now, but if you enjoyed this video, click like.